starting at $105,000. With room for up to 7 and a luxurious vibe, this SUV is so far the most compelling model and to wear the EQS name. FK Tech here. As the name suggests, the all-electric Mercedes-Benz EQS 2023 is a high-performance SUV that will replace the company's large and stylish EQS luxury sedan. The two share a platform and numerous other components and share the same wheelbase, but only the SUV offers a third row and seating for up to 7 people. The interior is lighter than a sedan due to the free space, and the luxury of design and materials is just as high. It can also be paired with Mercedes' new 56-inch hyperscreen, but while we were impressed by the look of the Starship Enterprise's large glass panels, which stretch along the dash from door to door, we were disappointed by the absence of their physical controls. The package includes 355 horsepower, EQS 450 Plus and 536 horsepower, with EQS 580. The former offers 305 miles of range on a single charge, and the latter 285 miles. What's new in 2023? The 2023 EQS SUV is the latest addition to Mercedes' growing portfolio of electric models under the company's EQ sub-brand umbrella. It is the first SUV built on Mercedes' modular electric vehicle platform, which underpins the EQE and EQS sedans, and will go on sale later this year. EV engine, power and performance. The EQS SUV is an EQS sedan with similar, if not identical, raised seating and interior space, but also a similar electric powertrain. The EQS 450 Plus has 335 horsepower acting on the rear wheels. Equipped with electric motor. The EQS 580 produces 536 horsepower and 633 lb-ft of torque between front and rear-mounted electric motors that provide all-wheel drive. The EQS SUV comes standard with adjustable air suspension and rear axle steering, making it incredibly maneuverable. Unlike sedans, SUVs have an off-road mode that raises the suspension and changes the behavior of the powertrain. We experienced this setup off-road while driving the prototype model and were impressed with the vehicle's performance, though we're guessing most people buying an EQS SUV will never make the effort. On our first test drive of the production model, we noticed much stronger acceleration in the EQS 580, and when we arrived at the office for testing, we managed a 4.2-second sprint to 62 miles per hour. The EQS 450 Plus doesn't feel uncomfortable and most drivers find it has plenty of power. Handling is confident but not overly satisfying, and while feedback is minimal, the EQS SUV's on-road handling is comfortable and relaxed. That's fine considering the deluxe mission. Range, charging and battery life. It uses the same 107.8 kWh battery as the EQS sedan, but the EQS SUV's projected range is less impressive. The entry-level EQS 450 Plus offers a range of 500 km per charge, while the all-wheel drive EQS 454 Matic and EQS 584 Matic can travel around 450 km before plugging it in. Fortunately, the EQS SUV can charge at a rate of 200 kilowatts, and according to Mercedes, when connected to a compatible DC fast charger, the battery can be charged from 10 to 80% in 31 minutes. Interior, comfort and cargo. The interior of the EQS SUV has an abundance of advanced materials and equipment that are characteristic of modern Mercedes-Benz models. The list of standard interior features includes optional lighting, heated and ventilated front seats, leather upholstery, panoramic sunroof, and wireless charging. A 56-inch hyperscreen is optional. Fit and finish are impressive, and the cabin features thoughtfully designed storage space, including a large bin under the floating center console. The EQS comes standard with 5-seat second-row seating, but third-row seats are optional and can accommodate 2 more. The 5-passenger model has up to 31 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row of seats. Models equipped with 3 rows of seats have up to 28 cubes behind the second row, but with the third row this volume is reduced to 7. Infotainment and connectivity. For maximum cinematography, the EQS-SUV can be equipped with Mercedes' stunning 56-inch hyperscreen that spans the entire width of the dashboard. In addition to the digital instrument panel, a 17.7-inch touchscreen mainly responsible for infotainment functions and a 12.3-inch touchscreen for the passenger seat are installed. The novelty of the glass dashboard is sure to attract buyers, but we can't help but complain about the complete absence of physical switches. Those who don't opt for the hyperscreen still get a digital instrument cluster and a 12.8-inch vertical touchscreen. All EQS SUVs come standard with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a Burmester audio system and wireless device charging. Warranty and maintenance. The Benz warranty period is similar to that of other luxury car manufacturers such as Audi and BMW. However, unlike its German competitors, the Mercedes-Benz model does not include a warranty service. The limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Engine warranty is 4 years or 50,000 miles. Electrical parts are guaranteed for 10 years or 100,000 miles. No free scheduled maintenance. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.